So we got this camera and we're so excited because it comes in different colors. This is what it looks like out of the packaging. It has the pink. It's pink in color like this.
It's a Minnie Mouse one.
Yeah, so it has a character on it. It has a silicone case. It also comes with a USB charger, and it also comes with a carrier case, like a strap that you can attach over here, so you can take the strap. It also comes with SD card, and you can make it bigger by 4 times the size. You also have a manual that you can use. You can see the silicone area is removable. This is the case. It just really protects it so that if it falls down, it will be protected. So the first thing that you do when you get the camera is you do want to charge it up, and you want to put it inside the charging port right over there like that. And once you see it's charging, we're going to take a picture of this, and the first thing you want to do is you want to turn it on. So you have to press the power button right over there, and this is what it looks like. So this comes with different things, photo play, and then it has also music and games. You can see it as it's recording, so you can press and record.
That's not record, that's picture.
Okay, we can take a picture. So let's take a picture. Okay, very nice, and you all can see the quality. And then we can always also go back and play it, so to check. Let's see what we just recorded, and it's just one picture, and it's really beautiful, very beautiful. So it also has timing, it also has resolutions. You can change the resolution. This is actually a 1080p. So different things that you can do on it, and I love that also you can also go to games. Can you go to the game section? So you can go to games, select the games, and there are different games that you could play. Has a lot of filters. You can change the colors and stuff even while recording. Overall, I like the quality. I like all the stuff that you can do on it, the games, the filters, the zooming effect, and I really like it because also it's easy for the child to use. And what do you like most about it?
The games.
The games. So yeah, so this is absolutely wonderful, and we absolutely love it. Thumbs up.